Is your iPhone not ringing after the iOS 26.4 update? Let's fix it in a few simple steps. First, refresh your network connection. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. Turn airplane mode on, wait about 5 seconds, then turn it off again. This quick reset often fixes call and ringing issues by refreshing your network. Now adjust your phone settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Find and open Phone. Look for Announce Calls and set it to Always. If it's already on, switch it off and then turn it back on again. This simple toggle can reset call handling and fix hidden bugs. Next, force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up, then press and release volume down. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. Release it when the Apple logo appears. This is not a normal restart. It clears temporary system glitches without deleting anything. After that, check for an iOS update. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, connect to Wi-Fi and install it. New updates often include fixes for bugs like this. If the issue still isn't fixed, reset all settings. Open Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or apps. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and permissions. These steps usually fix the ringing issue after an iOS update without needing any technical tools. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.